Trapped by debt? You're not alone. Many people around the world are facing the same struggles. Debt. It's a word that can send chills down your spine. It can feel overwhelming and never-ending. Millions of people feel trapped by credit card bills, student loans and car payments. But there's hope. You are not alone in this journey. You can break free from the chains of debt and achieve financial peace. Imagine the relief of no longer being weighed down by financial burdens. This isn't about complicated financial jargon. It's about simple, practical steps that anyone can take. It's about common sense and taking control of your money. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can start to see real progress. This is your wake-up call to stop living paycheck to paycheck. It's time to make a change and take control of your financial future. It's time to take charge and start building a brighter future. Set clear financial goals and work towards them step by step. Don't let debt control your life any longer. You have the power to change your situation. It's time to take action and start your journey towards debt freedom. Seek advice from financial experts and create a solid plan. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. There are many resources and communities ready to support you. Millions have been where you are and have come out victorious. Now it's your turn. Take the first step today and reclaim your financial freedom. The first step to conquering your debt is simple. Acknowledge it. Don't bury your head in the sand. Gather all your bills, loans and credit card statements. Write down exactly what you owe, the interest rates and the minimum payments. This might be scary, but it's crucial. You can't fix a problem you don't fully understand. This step gives you a clear picture of your financial situation and allows you to create a plan of attack.
Remember, knowledge is power. Once you have a firm grasp of your debt, you can start making informed decisions to chip away at it. Don't let fear paralyze you. Let it motivate you to take action.
Credit cards are often the biggest culprits of debt. They lure you in with promises of rewards and points, but the reality is they can lead to financial stress and overwhelming debt. They make it too easy to overspend. With just a swipe or a click, you can buy things you don't really need. And before you know it, the bills start piling up. The first step to breaking free is to cut them up. Physically cutting your cards can be a powerful symbolic gesture, marking the start of your journey to financial freedom. Yes, you heard that right. Cut them up and close the accounts. This might seem drastic, but it's necessary. Next, create a budget. A budget is your roadmap to financial stability. This doesn't have to be complicated. Start simple. Use a spreadsheet, an app, or just pen and paper. List your income and all your expenses. Be honest and thorough. This is the foundation of your budget. Identify areas where you can cut back. Look for unnecessary expenses that can be reduced or eliminated.
Can you reduce your grocery bill? Maybe by planning meals and buying in bulk. Can you find a cheaper cell phone plan? Compare different providers and see where you can save. Remember, a budget is not about deprivation. It's about taking control of your money. It's about making informed decisions. It's about making conscious choices about your spending. Every dollar should have a purpose. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Take charge of your finances and watch your financial health improve.
Step 3. Snowball your way to freedom. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing larger as it goes. This is the essence of the debt snowball method. The debt snowball method is a powerful tool for paying off debt. It's designed to help you gain control over your finances and build momentum as you go. Start by listing all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. This visual representation helps you see the path to financial freedom.
Focus on making minimum payments on all debts, except the smallest one. This ensures you stay current on all your obligations while targeting the smallest debt. Attack the smallest debt with everything you've got. Put any extra money you can find towards it, whether it's from cutting expenses or earning extra income. Once it's gone, take the money you were putting towards it and apply it to the next smallest debt, and so on. This method creates a cascading effect, making each subsequent debt easier to tackle.
This creates momentum and keeps you motivated. The sense of progress is crucial in maintaining your drive to become debt-free. As you pay off each debt, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. This positive reinforcement will encourage you to keep pushing forward. This will fuel your determination to keep going. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Stick to your plan and watch your debt melt away. With dedication and persistence, financial freedom is within your reach. Conclusion: live free, stay debt-free. Living debt-free is about making conscious choices and changing your relationship with money.
It's about living below your means and saving for the future. It's about finding contentment in what you have, not what you want.
Continue to budget, save and invest. Build an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. The journey to financial freedom doesn't end when you pay off your debt. It's a lifelong commitment.
You can do this. It won't be easy, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the peace of mind, the freedom, the possibilities. Take control of your finances and start living the debt-free life you deserve.